Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make calcium blocks for budgies. First, gather your materials. You will need plaster of Paris, a good quality calcium powder, and some water. Also, prepare a mixing bowl, a spoon, and small molds. These could be ice cube trays or candy molds. It is crucial to ensure all your chosen materials are completely non-toxic and safe for your feathered friends to peck at. Safety is always our top priority for our beloved pets. Now let's get to mixing. In your bowl, combine 2 parts of plaster of Paris with 1 part of your chosen calcium powder. For example, if you use 2 tablespoons of plaster, use 1 tablespoon of calcium. Slowly add water, a little at a time, stirring continuously. You are aiming for a thick, paste-like consistency, similar to pancake batter. Be careful not to add too much water, as this can prevent the block from hardening correctly. With your mixture ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully spoon the paste into your chosen molds, filling each one about 3/4 full. Once filled, gently tap the molds on your counter a few times. This helps to release any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a solid and smooth block. Now comes the waiting game. Allow your calcium blocks to dry completely for at least 24 to 48 hours, or even longer, in a well-ventilated area. After your calcium blocks are completely dry and hard, carefully pop them out of their molds. Take a moment to inspect each block thoroughly. Check for any sharp edges or crumbly bits that could be unsafe for your budgie. If you find any, gently smooth them down. You can then offer 1 block to your budgie by attaching it securely in their cage. Remember to replace the block when it becomes significantly worn down, ensuring a continuous supply of essential calcium.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.